Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. And yes, you would be wondering where I am standing and where I am talking from, right? Yes guys, we finally made it to Europe and I am in Switzerland. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how I managed to get my Schengen tourist visa without help of a travel agent or a visa agent. So let's get back to the system and see what are the steps that I followed. Here are the steps of visa processing. Before we move further, let's talk about Schengen visa. There are 26 countries which are coming under Schengen agreement. So the countries such as Poland, Belgium, France, Switzerland, Norway. So if you have visa for one country, you are free to move from this country to another without any boundary restrictions. And that is the beauty of Schengen visa. So let's go. Now stop. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. And if you like the content, hit like. So the first step is register ourselves to the VFS and book an appointment. For that, go to your browser and type VFS Global. So click on the first link and this will take you to the VFS Global official site. From there, choose the country of origin, that's going to be India, and to country where you are traveling to. And from there, book an appointment. This is the Belgium portal in VFS. So first we'll have to register. So guys, are you wondering why VFS Global? Government and diplomats have outsourced VFS Global to collect required documents from us and then send it to the consulate or embassy. And from there, the consulate or embassy take decision whether to approve the visa on your passport or not. So that's the role of VFS, and since there is no walk-in available, you'll have to register and book an appointment with VFS Global to process your visa. So coming back to the registration, fill the email and password and click on register. This will trigger an email to activate your account. So once the account is activated, just log in and click on start new booking. And from here, choose your visa application center, which is very near to you. So let's choose Bangalore. Yes, choose the subcategory. So these are the type of visa available. And in my case, it was tourist. So choose tourist visa. And it shows you the earliest available slot. So let's see if any other center has a earliest date available. So choose Hyderabad and choose your visa type. Yeah, that shows 17/8/22. So let's continue. So fill up all the details in this form, and this all information you can mostly find in your passport. So here fill up your current address and contact details and click on save and continue. So the application has been saved and you will have to pay a service charge of around 2,300 rupees to the VFS center. And click on continue. Oh, let's see if there are any slots available in July. So guys, as you have just seen, there is no slot available in July. So it's always good to start your visa processing prior 2 months of your travel date, so that you're giving yourself 1 month of time to get ready with your documents, tickets and other bookings, and another 1 month to the VFS and consulate to process your visa. So back to the booking, select the date, and down below you will get to choose the timing. Choose the timing and continue. So this is showing some premium services available, so you don't need any of these. So click on continue, and there is this travel assistance. We would not require any of these. Just click on continue. And this is your application details, so just have a review of all the details. Okay, so this is the service charges that you'll have to pay online. Accept the terms and conditions, just pay online. And this is the email confirmation that your VFS appointment has been confirmed successfully. Okay, let's move on to the step 2 to book the air tickets and hotel booking. So the most common mistake that we all may do is that we block the air tickets for 72 hours to show us a proof for the visa processing. But in case if the visa officer checks your documents after 3 days due to some general delays, it may give a false impression that you do not have a reserved air ticket. So don't do that common mistake. Instead, let's see how we can minimize such booking risk. Let's again go back to the browser and type Bangalore to Brussels flight. And this time I'm going to choose make my trip and choose your date of travel. It is best that you choose your flight on any weekday so that you will get some discount on your flight fare. So guys, always choose a flight with partially refundable option, and let's see what are the flight itinerary and cancellation options available. So on the cancellation, if you cancel your tickets prior 24 hours of your travel, there seems to be only 6k deduction from your ticket fare. And on the date change, if it's prior 24 hours, there seems to be no charge at all. So good to book such flights. So now let's book the hotels, and I'm going to the booking.com for that. Choose your place where you're going to travel and your date. And the main thing you'll have to filter from here is that whichever hotel provides a free cancellation, so that in case something goes wrong, you are having a free cancellation option. And the double bed options and a private bathroom option, that will be good for any Indian traveler. So choose all the filters of your choice and then sort it from lowest to highest, so you get some good hotels with some good reviews. So book such hotels with free cancellation and where no prepayment is required. So we are done with the hotel booking. Now let's go and fill the visa application. So guys, visa application form filling can be done in 2 ways. One is that go to the download the PDF form and fill up your details, and the second option is go to the particular country's visa online portal and then fill up your details. So we are going to show you both options in this video. So let's go to the browser and type in Schengen visa application. choose the first link, and there you get to see your visa application form. So click on the download the application form, and the logo that you see in blue is the EU logo. And just make a note of this one, that no logo is required for these countries. So you can always go to the specific country's visa application form and download and fill it. So just to check, I have come down to the Swiss visa application form and choose English German as the language, and here you see there is no logo available. So now let's go to the online mode using Embassy portal. So let's find out the Belgium visa application portal by typing Belgium visa application, and you get the second link, the diplomat.belgium. Click on the same, and this is the Belgium visa portal. And if you haven't registered yet, just go click on register and fill up the details. Register. So just activate the account using email link and log in. Now let's proceed with the application filling. Choose new application, and visa type, if it's for tourism, choose short stay. And agree with the terms. This is your basic information. Language can be chosen as unimportant. So this is the VFS sender info where you are logging your visa application. And next, your personal details. So you can fill up whichever are marked as mandatory. National identity number, which is not a mandatory thing, so you can just leave it. And the travel document, this is your passport details, so choose ordinary passport and fill up remaining details, the date of issue, expiry date and issued by, and the issuing country. Choose India, and your home address details, and your current occupation, and in my case it was private, so I have chosen private. So here you will have to fill up the employer details, including the address. And your travel information. So this is your visa type, short stay, and your purpose of the journey. Here for tourism you should choose leisure and tourist visa. Yes, and additional information you can just give it like the brief of your travel, like which all countries you are going to cover. So that will just highlight your visa application. So member state of destination, this is the country where you are applying for the visa. Mostly 25 and 26 will be the same, and number of entries you can choose multiple. So the duration of stay in Schengen area, you'll have to calculate between the first entry in Schengen area and the last exit from Schengen area. So just give the dates and calculate accordingly. So this is your previous visa information. In case you are applying for the first time, it will be nothing. So this is the hotel booking information that we have done in the previous step. So just fill up all the details. Inviting organization will be nothing as it's a tourist visa, and financing of stay will be self, that you have to fill in the applicant details and save the application. Also review if all the details given are correct, and after that just submit the application. So once it's submitted successfully, you will get an email like this with the attachment as the filled application form. So just take a printout and keep it handy. So guys, hope you're clear with the first 3 steps of Schengen visa processing, and I will be talking about the next 3 steps in the part 2. And if you've got any questions, please do comment below. I will be happy to answer. And we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.